Hello, friends and followers. Well, here is the Omni 6 that I picked up on eBay from some guy in Florida who was selling it at a pretty reasonable price. It was probably an estate. I hope his father didn't die, something like that, but who knows. Anyway, I put in a speaker in this one, and I did that because I was getting weird audio out of it, and I didn't realize that the problem, and this is due to a YouTuber who pointed this out, the problem is actually this little chip here on the CPU board, a 7660. This little chip here, its purpose is to take 5 volts and make minus 5 volts out for the DSP. There's the DSP right there. So apparently this poor DSP is getting 5 volts where it wants minus 5 volts because this chip is heat sensitive, and then it finally gets, I guess, hot, and it kicks in and then puts out minus 5 volts eventually. Anyway, a nice gentleman said if you replace this chip, it'll fix it. So I bought a bunch of these off of Amazon from who knows what seller. Who knows, these are Chinese chips or whatever they are, but I'm gonna try and stuff one in there, see what happens. So take that one out. Now, unfortunately, this board, there's no way to access it underneath unless you take out a board that is underneath it, because these boards are stacked in here. So unfortunately, I have to take pictures of the board to assure I know where these wires go, and then take all these wires off the board and pull the board out. So in the next video, I'll show how that's done. I thought about just yanking the wires out here, but I didn't take pictures yet, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.